This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and inputs. This saves time later. Plug the second monitor into your GPU, not the motherboard, and pick the right input, HDMI or display port. Once connected, make sure Windows or Mac OS detects both screens and that your primary display is set where you want the taskbar or dock. You do this now because many games inherit the OS primary display. If detection fails, reseat cables and try a different port, then continue to in-game settings. Once displays are arranged, you tune resolutions and refresh rates to match the second monitor. This prevents stuttering and scaling issues. In Windows display settings, drag the monitor icons to match physical locations. Set resolution and refresh rate per monitor. Make sure scaling is appropriate so UI elements aren't tiny. Next, choose Extended Desktop, not Duplicate. Finally, disable or configure overlays like Steam or Discord that can force the game to single-monitor full screen. You finish by setting the game to borderless window or windowed full screen and selecting the second monitor in the game's display options. That reliably puts full-screen content on the chosen screen. If the option is missing, launch the game, drag its window to the second monitor, then press Alt+Enter to toggle full screen. Make sure your GPU drivers are current if the game resists moving. Troubleshooting tip: if the game still locks to the primary display, update drivers and disable overlays, or use a display manager utility to assign the window to the second monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.